When any society begin to throw honor into the trash can, they begin to set themselves up for destruction, which implies that decadence has set in. Lack of honor clearly means lawlessness and a setup for God's judgment and destruction. Psalm 18:25 says, with the merciful, thou wilt show thyself merciful. With an upright man, thou wilt show thyself upright. This is God's principle of rewards. In 1 Samuel 2:27 through 36, the Lord sent a man to Eli the priest because Eli could not stop his sons from desecrating offerings and sacrifices of the Lord. In verse 30, the man told Eli the following: Wherefore the Lord God of Israel said, I said indeed that thy house and the house of thy father should walk before me forever. But now the Lord said, Be it far from me, for them that honor me I will honor, and them that despise me shall be lightly esteemed. This shows that one receives honor as he gives it and sows it as a seed. To rightly define it, honor simply means high respect or great esteem. Another thing we must know about honor is that humans know how to honor one another, and they really do. However, the level of honor one gives will determine the level of honor he gets back. And more importantly, the one to whom honor is bestowed upon determines the weight and how valuable the honor one will get back in return. In John 5:41 through 44, Jesus noted that men will rather follow men than honor fellow men rather than honor God and seek his honor. Moreover, we must understand that to honor God is far more valuable and rewarding than to honor man, because man is limited. And for us who have lived here for a while, we can tell that God's honor is more permanent and reliable. Simple emotional swing can erode the honor of man. For those who prefer God's honor over the honor of man, the following triggers must apply. Number one, show love for God, like Solomon did. Number two, make sacrifices and give to the Lord, like Solomon also did. Number three, live righteously. Four, believe God. Place your trust in Him and wholly depend on Him to change your situation, circumstance, or even destiny, as the case may be. Number five, have honor for God by obeying His commands. Number six, have honor for God's servants and ministers. Number seven, have honor for your own parents. And number eight, have honor for elders and authority. Finally, honor could mean promotion, elevation, and blessings. It makes our world a better place. It brings order and civility to our world. While the honor that men give to men is temporal and short-lived because man is mortal, the honor that God gives to man for living right, as stated above, is tangible, durable, and everlasting. For you who will make it deliberate and be intentional in honoring the Lord, you will be in a class of those who the Lord had honored forever, like Abraham, whose children we all are, and David, whose kingdom is everlasting and will never end through Jesus Christ. Take time to ponder over these triggers, restore honor to your life and to our world, and enjoy divine bliss. Have a blessed day.